For new Holland rotor cut balers, a knife drawer offers easy access to your cutter knives. To access the knife drawer, raise the pickup, unlatch the knife drawer and lower it with the machine hydraulics. Then, rotate the ball valve located in the front of the hitch. And with the same hydraulic remote, raise the knives a little for easy access. Check your knives for wear. If they need sharpening, sharpen the flat edge, not the serrated edge. If you need a longer cut crop, remove knives from the knife drawer to accommodate your desired cut length. Replace the knives you removed with blanking plates to keep the knife beds clean. The blanks are stored conveniently on the side of the baler for easy access. Replace all safety shields and locks before operation.